Good morning.
Are these, sir, primary objectives po in visiting Sulu?
Actually, I'll be attending supposedly yung workshop there about peace and other situations as well. Conflict resolution and other processes to achieve a lasting peace.
Sir, any plans and program for Sulu under your leadership?
Of course, kahapon at conference ako, we will provide solution to the problems and needs of ating mga local units natin. Particularly yung mga walang power source. So, gusto kami additional solar plus yung internet connectivity.
Sir, umiikot po ako sa Sulu. Nakasama na po, nakita na po kita before, sir. That's way back 2014. Hanggang ngayon, sir, ako nandito pa rin, sir. Sir, naiikot ko po sa Sulu hanggang ngayon. Medyo may problema po yata tayo sa nakikita ko yung vehicles, long firearms, and ammunition. Of course, medyo kailangan, sir, kasi mostly nakikita ko parang short. Do we have a program for and support for the police vehicle in Sulu?
Okay, we will request from the national headquarters kung ano mga kailangan. Actually, I'll be talking to the chief of police kay PD kung anong kulang talaga dito, so we can request the national headquarters for additional vehicles and para. But I will have also to make a courtship call to the governor, the vice governor. Maybe baka makatulong din sila.
Sir, what will be your message, sir, to the people of Sulu?
Yeah, maintain the peace, collaborate, cooperate. They have nothing but each other. So magtulungan, magsakripisyo, magbigayan. That's the only way to achieve a lasting peace.
Sir, during your time, 2014 until now, and this present, how do we describe Sulu right now?
Well, maraming development, at saka sabi ko nga, siguro mas matahimik na ngayon. Noon kasi, even sa hulog, pinapasok nila, may mga kinukuha pictures sa mga tindera. Pero ngayon wala na. I've heard na ASD disbanded na, then yung mga subgroups nila, wala na rin. And those people are now engaged in business. So, yun, i-maintain na lang natin. Palaguhin ang negosyo dito while respecting yung diverse culture ng ating mga kapatid dito. Then, more on social development projects para masuportahan lahat ng yung education ng ating mga youth. Paatasin yung level ng edukasyon, bigyan lahat ng opportunity ng tao para hindi na bumalik sa dating maguluhan sa it is a shared responsibility. I-share lahat din dapat yung opportunity sa lahat ng tao and not only concentrated to a certain group, a certain family, or a certain clan. I-share that.
Sir, message natin sa ating kapulisan?
Sabi ko na nga, enforce the law without fear of favor. So, lahat ng insidente dapat ay ibisigan ng tama. Respecting the rights of the accused and the complainants. And we have, they can avail of the conflict resolution avenues. Sabi ko nga, if we can create a council of elders para hindi na umabot, yung mga maliit na problema pala, solusyonan.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you po.